Hello, welcome to Shaladi Kitchen. Today I'll be showing us how I made my own Nigeria biryani rice. Yes, very yummy, very delicious in our own way. Yes, all you need to have, you can see your onion, the spice. Yes, you chop your onions to the size that you want, then you fry it. Make sure it is fried brown. Let it get brown, become brown and crunchy. You can see it right there. Yes, brown and crispy. Sorry, not crunchy, brown and crispy. Then you take it off from the fire and you add your chili pepper. Yes, you add your chili pepper, you add your spices, your biryani spice. Then you add either you add yogurt or milk. Just watch and see. Yes, at this point, you add your meat into the pot and your milk. Yes, you pour your milk in it, or either you pour your milk or your yogurt. This milk have to be cooked very tender, to be very tender. It have to be very tender. You can see that. Now it's time to parboil your rice. So I added my curry powder. I want the rice to have that yellow color. So I added my curry powder and my bay leaf. Now make sure your water boiled before you added the rice so that the rice is not too softened. Yes. So yes, our meat is soft enough. It's done enough. So you have to bring out the meat. Bring out the meat. Oh, at this point, you might want to be tempted to test something, but be disciplined. Don't finish it on the fire. Let's go. At this point, you add your rice to it. Make sure your water should not be much, should be small, not much. You can see mine. So you add your rice, you put a little of that onion, that fried onion that is crispy. You add a little of your meat to it, add your rice again. The next layer, you add your rice again. Yes, so you add the rice again, add the same onion, add your meat. Just watch. This is the last layer. So add it all and add all your fried onion all on it. Watch, and add all your meat to it as well. At this point, you have to seal up the pot with your foil paper so that the rice will steam properly. Yes, please, if you love this video, do me well by giving this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified when I drop more videos. I really appreciate your time for watching this video. God bless you. Thank you. Enjoy your Nigeria biryani rice.